let their degeneracy and their chaos hamper a good time. These are the illustrious, the dirtiest, the smelliest, the crustiest, the most poop-smeared underwear people you can find in the back of the Four Loko section of the gosh darn Harry Quick. These are the guys that walk out with pallets of Natty Daddies like it's normal. This is Blackwater. Last but not least, give a round of applause. Thank you, Yole. Thank you, Yole.
What are you doing?
I'm hanging out before we go on, collecting my thoughts in my my chi. I'm centering the chi real hard right now, stuff like that.
How do you feel before going on?
You know, you're always a little nervous, and that's okay. But you just have to believe in yourself. I don't always do that, but that's the ideal, I guess. I don't know. Believe in yourself.
Tonight I am playing drums and as a part of Blackwater, the band, Blackwater.
He's here, the drummer, Blackwater. You're here first, right here. All right, so I'll start with the first question. And what does music mean to you?
Whoa, wow. Music to me, I should fucking record this too. Music to me is a reflection of the internal subjective experience in the outer world of sound. If it's anything, I don't know what it is, but to me that's why it makes sense. Like, it's organized sound, that's one definition for it, but it also, like, why does it matter to us? I think it's an expression of something inside and something that is deeper and older than any individual person.
All right, who am I here with?
You're here with Yonders from Blackwater.
Yonders from Blackwater. What do you do?
Sometimes I play guitar, sometimes I eat tacos, sometimes I,
You're the Taco Bandit.
I'm the Taco Bandit. It's Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo, we're here. All right, what is it like being a part of Blackwater? What does it mean to you?
What does it mean to me? Oh shit, heavy question. Being with Blackwater is just super fucking fun. Just get a chance to unleash, play some rock music, and just like hang out with my friends. Just go after it as hard as we can. It's a great time.
That's what it's all about. Hanging out with your friends. That's what it's all about. How do you feel about it?
I feel fucking fantastic about the upcoming set. I'm going to absolutely rip up the electric fiddle.
Do you have any theatrics to play? Or do you have any theatrics planned? Any sort of theatrics?
If I did, I couldn't tell you.
I keep getting that answer.
Yeah, what the hell? What's the
That's some bullshit. You got something to hide.
Nothing to hide. Except for the good stuff.
State your name.
All right, I am the
It doesn't have to be real.
who is introducing everyone. The magnificent, the all and mighty, the guy who takes one band and transitions it into the next.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, so one band plays, then they stop. This is new for me. And then there's like a DJ playlist that goes on, and the DJ playlist stops when the band wants them to stop. But it's a bit of an abrupt transition, because the music stops, the band's got to do some fucking ding-a-wings on the fucking bass, some whack-a-dacks on the drums, and all that kind of stuff.
Some bing bongs.
And someone's got to keep the energy up in the crowd to get them excited for the bing-a-lings and the ding-dongs.
How are you going to keep the energy up? What are you going to do? Are you
Satisfied! Take it from the you satisfied! That's more like it! Alright, here, I am so happy to introduce, after their long and arduous and debaucherous Rochester tour, the band formerly known as Tequila Friday. Can I introduce Matt the Virgin, Abe Atkins, Frankie Boom Boom, and the Grease Man, Instant Richard!
Yeah.
What do you believe you're going to do on stage tonight? Are you going to rip it up?
Whip it out? I'm not gonna whip it out.
I said rip it up.
Rip it up, yes. Yeah. Whip it up. Whip it out, no. Rip it up, yes. I hope so. That's the goal.
That's the goal. The goal is to not whip it out.
Don't whip it out. It's never a good idea. You'd think it would be, but it's never a good idea.
Another question. Who is your musical inspiration?
Jimi Hendrix, probably number one.
Is that the reason you play guitar?
I would say yes. Yeah, I would say so.
What's your favorite Jimi Hendrix song or quote of all time?
That's a tough one. I gotta say, the first one that I remember hearing, the first Jimi Hendrix song I probably remember hearing is either Purple Haze or his cover of All Along the Watchtower. But I do have to say, if I had to pick one to be quirky, probably Spanish Castle Magic, because that's probably his hardest riff that he has, and it's a fantastic song. So I'm gonna settle on Spanish Castle Magic as my favorite Jimi Hendrix song.
Spanish Castle Magic. I've never heard of it.
Whoa!
What are you drinking?
I've been drinking Citizen Cider Unified Press. I'm probably gonna grab at least one more before we go on, just so the liquor's really running through me.
What's your opinion on Bud Light?
No comment.
No comment. Seems to leave a comment.
And making my face warm and making my feet dance around. Although it's not required, it really helps. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying.
I know what I'm.
You know what you're saying.
Yeah, I know what he's saying.
They know what we're saying.
How much do you want your feet to be dancing per set? Is there like a limit to too much foot dancing?
Right before it becomes a distraction. You gotta focus on the music primarily, but if the music's making you move, then you gotta move. You know?
What is it like to be in the Blackwater band?
It's a whole bunch of, can I swear? It's a whole fucking lot of fun. You know, it's like the relationship is like brothers or something. Because we just spend so much time doing this creative thing together where we really pour a lot of time and energy into it. And, you know, we bicker and we squabble and we make jokes and we just like have fun and like share this really meaningful experience together. The music is a lot of fun to play drums to. I think it has awakened in me a kind of rock and roll side of myself that I think before Blackwater I didn't know was in there. But I love rock and roll. I love the energy of rock drumming, just going ah, and really making shit happen. Is what Blackwater is like for me.
Do you have any theatrics lined up for tonight?
I guess you'll have to wait and see. I can't spoil that. I also don't know what they might be. It's all spontaneous. Very spontaneous.
Spontaneous. Spontaneous. Spontaneous.
Spontaneous. Spontaneous. Spontaneous.
What is he doing?
Oh, dude,
What are you
I'm
doing?
doing my makeup.
As you can tell,
I look like a cowboy bandit. Something like that. Something like that, yeah.
you look like a taco bandit.
I don't think this is staying on more than for like one song.
Wow, I can't imagine you can see.
No, I can't.
Rapid fire questions. All right, what's your favorite thing about being in Blackwater?
Making music.
Making music. How long have you been in Blackwater? How long has the band existed?
Well, that's a long question because the band has existed in different iterations for, over the course of college, I would say over the course of college. It wasn't always called Blackwater, but it was always something.
What was it called before? What's the most recent?
Old North End, probably,
Why was it called Old North End?
because we like to buy beer at Old North End Variety.
What is your favorite Blackwater song to play on the drums? And why is it your favorite?
Where Are Your Shoes by Andy and Dead-Eye Dick by Jake. They're both just really high energy, and Dead-Eye Dick has this part where we all drop out and I just like scream, and that's a lot of fun.
I love Blackwater.
Yeah, I love Blackwater as well.
What?
Do you love Blackwater?
Yeah, of course I love Blackwater. Yeah, who doesn't?
He loves Blackwater. Some great attire. I love it, man. I love Blackwater.
I love Blackwater.
He loves Blackwater.
I do love Blackwater. What?
You love Blackwater. Say you love Blackwater.
Yeah, we love Blackwater. Yeah. Yeah, we love Blackwater.
They love it. They love it. We've come full circle. And now who are you introducing?
I believe this is Blackwater, not to be confused with Beneath Black Waves, which is a different band. I think they play like electronic music.
Are you excited for their set?
I am very excited. This is fucking Crusty Boy's best, the smelliest of the smellies, the dirtiest of the dirty, deep underground, shit-smeared people that I love and surround myself with every day.
Leave us with a phrase or something, anything. Leave us with something.
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya.